Klarna is preparing to integrate cryptocurrency into its platform ahead of an anticipated IPO. CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski sought industry input on X, sparking a wave of suggestions. Proposals include adding Bitcoin to Klarna's balance sheet and enabling crypto payments for merchants. The move comes as Bitcoin surges past 100,000, with predictions it could hit 500,000 in 3 years. Siemiatkowski emphasized the need for a compliance-first approach to crypto integration. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.